So now that you have reached a sufficient amount of people in your list, I would say like 300, 500 is perfectly fine. Now for the example, I'm going to stop at 120 because I mean, I don't want to wait for this. So I'm just going to click on view collected. And then here I see all my lists. Actually, I'm going to close this and I'm going to stop collecting. And then I'm gonna click on view collected. You have to stop the collect before you open this. So now you have a list of 100, whatever, like 500 people here. And you wanna do what? You wanna scrape it. So if you scroll down, then you'll see them all. So yeah, you wanna extract it all and then put it in the Excel sheet for it to be organized. So I'm going to go and click on my Chrome extension, Data Miner. And then I'm going to check if there are some recipe already done for this, but I don't think so. So I'm going to create one. So new recipe. So what's a recipe? It's basically a scraping recipe. So it's to extract data from a page. So let me show you how it works. So first, I want a list page. So it's a list page. So I go on number 2, and then I'm going to find like a row. So what's a row? Is like one name, like one person is a row. So then I go, that's a row. So the rows now are delimited, like they are separated. So then I'm going to go and confirm this. Then I'm going to go and colon. So let's say name. It's text. So it's not like HTML, it's not URL, it's not an image, it's nothing else than just text. So I'm going to go and find it. So I want the full name, confirm, and then I want a new column with the URL. Okay, so I select the URL and it's a link. So A in HTML, it's link. So that's why having a small, like a really basic coding knowledge, I would say, is really, really useful in these cases. And then that's it. I'm going to go in nav. We don't have to nav here. Nav means like go from page 1 to 2 to 3. That's why we actually extract them in that list. So we don't have to do that. And then we don't have to do anything here neither. And then we're just going to be running this. So now I have the name, full name, and then the LinkedIn URL. And then I'm going to go and download this CSV. If you have Excel installed in your computer, then you can extract it as well. So I'm just going to extract it. I'm going to close this here. Then I'm going to open my Google. Yeah, you will have to have a Google Chrome, Google Sheet link after in the next step. So that's why I'm showing you how to actually create a Google Sheet with the CSV. So here we go. I'm going to go in my Drive, or I can just, yeah. So basically you have to have a Google account, so a Gmail account to have access to your Google Drive. But like you have to have this for this tutorial anyway. So I'm going to be creating a like file upload, then CSV. Open. Yeah, I already did this one, so that's why. So sorry, I'm gonna do it again because I clicked on the wrong button because I already have one, so I have to select this. So now you have something like this. Yeah, my computer is slow when I do screen share, so sorry. Yeah, and then I'm gonna open it with Google Sheet. And now you have a beautifully organized Excel Google Sheet with all your name and ID, I mean URL of all the LinkedIn profile. So then stay with me, I'll show you how to get more information about these people from this, what we have here. So